So it's a teardrop camper. It's called, in America it's a woody, because it's made of wood with a full-size double bed. And my wife said to me, could you build me something? And stupidly I said yes before I said what, and then she asked me to build a teardrop. So I did a bit of research on Google, saw the drawings, and took it from there. So a lot of it was a hit and miss. I do building, but not to the degree of say a joiner, but yeah, so I'm quite pleased with the result. Most of the timber on the outside and some of the inside is originally from a house in Durham Street my mother owned that was destroyed in the Christchurch earthquake, and it was all Hartarimu and kauri, and so I retained most of the wood, and which is now turned into this little house from a big house. The main challenge I had was the roof and the back door being hinged, and of course trying to get the roof waterproofed, and the windows, funny enough, and the doors are really quite hard because they had to be opening, but at the same time be able to lock them for security. A lot of people don't realise it is actually a camper with a full kitchen. It's got TV and stuff. It's solar, all solar powered, and so yeah, let's take it away and enjoy the South Island.